Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you a keypad password lock using Arduino and LCD. This is a very simple and beginner friendly project, especially for your learning embedded system or Arduino. 4x4 keypad, a 6x2 LCD display, and some jumper wires. Okay, now let me explain the connection used in this project. First, let's start the LCD display. We are using a 6x2 LCD 4-bit mode. The RS pin of the LCD is connected to the digital pin 13. Digital pin 13 of the Arduino. The enable pin is connected to the digital pin 12. Now coming to the data pins. LCD D4, D5, D6 and D7 are connected to Arduino pins 11, 10, 9 and 8 respectively. Now let's move to the keypad connections. We are using a 4x4 matrix keypad which has 4 row pins and 4 column pins. The row pins of the keypad are connected to Arduino analog pins A0, A1, A2 and A3. The column pins are connected to digital pins 7, 6, 5 and 4. These connections allow to the Arduino to detect exactly which key is pressed on the keypad. Now the system is ready to take input from the keypad. So this is the complete wiring explanation of Arduino. Let's move to the code part. At the beginning of the program, we include two libraries. One is for the keypad and another one is for LCD display. Next, we define the LCD pin connections. Here the RS, enable and data pins are connected to the Arduino digital pins. Now coming to the keypad section. Our keypad has 4 rows and 4 columns. So we define the number of rows and columns first. Then we map all the keypad buttons using a 2-dimensional array. For example, the keypad contains number from 0 to 9 along with special keys like C for clear equals for enter. We create a keypad object so that Arduino can read which key is being pressed. Now let's talk about the password logic. Here the correct password is set as 1, 2, 3, 4. To protect the password, we display an star symbol on the LCD instead of the actual number. When the user presses the equals button, the entered the password is compared with the original password. If both words are matched, the LCD displays correct. If the password is wrong, it displays wrong. After 2 seconds, the symbol automatically resets as for the password again. If the user presses the C button, the entered password gets cleared and the user can re-enter the password from the beginning. So this is how a simple Arduino keypad password lock system works. Thank you for watching.